How to change add friend to follow in Facebook Lite. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, my profile has the add friend option. So let me show you how you can turn this to the follow option. Open up the Facebook Lite app, click on the three lines at the top right corner, scroll down to the settings and privacy section, and click on settings. And here, scroll down to the privacy section, and the first step is to click on privacy, and you will see the second section. It says how people can find and contact you, and it says the first option, who can send you friend requests. Click on it, choose friends or friends, then go back, and from the privacy section again, click on public posts, and you can see the first section. It says who can follow me. Click on public. Then let us check the changes. Let me refresh this page, and as you can see, the add friend button has turned to the follow button. It's very easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can convert or change the add friend button to the follow button using the Facebook Lite app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.